Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted Google Maps history on Android. Alright, let's begin. If you've accidentally deleted your Google Maps timeline, don't worry. You can still recover it by accessing your Google account settings. First, open Google Maps on your device. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Manage Your Google Account. Once you're there, look for and tap on the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find the option that says Download Your Data and tap on it. This will redirect you to Google Takeout, where you can download copies of your Google data. Now you'll see a list of Google services. Scroll through the list and find Location History or Timeline, then make sure that box is checked. This ensures your timeline data is included in the export. Once that's selected, tap Next Step. Under the delivery method, choose Send Download Link via email. Or if you prefer, you can save it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Next, choose the file type as zip and select your preferred file size limit, such as 10 GB, to make it easier to download larger exports. After adjusting these options, tap Create Export. The export process may take some time depending on how much data you have, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll receive an email from Google with a link to download your timeline data. Download the file, and you'll be able to restore and view your timeline information again. Now, before doing this, make sure your location history or timeline is actually turned on. To check, go back to Google Maps, tap your profile icon, then select your timeline. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Location and Privacy Settings. If the timeline toggle is off, turn it on. Otherwise, you won't be able to recover or track your location history in the future. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover deleted Google Maps history on Android. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.